Cleaning, while a necessary part of life, often feels like an uphill battle. From conquering clutter to scrubbing stains, it's easy to lose motivation along the way. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can transform cleaning from a dreadful task into a rewarding experience. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the Printables category over at dmiddleton.com. In this video, we'll explore some cleaning motivation tips to help you tackle any cleaning challenge with enthusiasm and efficiency. My first tip is to set clear goals. Break down your cleaning task into smaller, achievable goals. Next, create a cleaning schedule. Establish a regular cleaning routine to maintain a tidy home. You can use my printables to do this. Next, prioritize tasks. Focus on cleaning tasks that have the most significant impact on your space first. After prioritizing tasks, you'll want to start small. Begin with one area or room to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Use visual inspiration. Create a vision board or Pinterest board with images of clean and organized spaces to motivate yourself. Reward yourself along the way. Treat yourself to a reward after completing a cleaning task, whether it's a snack, a break, or something enjoyable. Listen to music. Put on your favorite tunes to make cleaning more enjoyable and energizing. Make cleaning a game. Challenge yourself to see how quickly you can clean a room or set a timer for each task. Delegate tasks. Share cleaning responsibilities with family members or roommates to help lighten the workload. Declutter on a regular basis. Get rid of items you no longer need or use to reduce clutter and make cleaning easier. Visualize the end result. Picture how satisfying it will feel to have a clean and organized space. Set a timer. Dedicate a specific amount of time to cleaning each day to stay focused and productive. Break tasks into sections. Divide larger cleaning projects into smaller sections to make them more manageable. Try natural cleaning products. Use eco-friendly cleaning products with pleasant scents to make your cleaning more enjoyable. Practice gratitude. Be grateful for your home and belongings as you clean, shifting your mindset from a chore to a privilege. Try incorporating aromatherapy. Use essential oils or scented candles to create a pleasant atmosphere while cleaning. Take some before and after photos. Document your cleaning progress to stay motivated and to track your accomplishments. Visualize the benefits. Remind yourself of the benefits of a clean and organized space, such as reduced stress and improved productivity. Set a deadline. Give yourself a deadline to complete each cleaning task to stay on track and to avoid procrastination. Focus on just one task at a time. Concentrate on completing one cleaning task before moving on to the next to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use positive self-talk. Repeat affirmations such as, "I enjoy having a clean and organized home," to reinforce positive associations with cleaning. Involve the whole family. Turn cleaning into a family activity by assigning age-appropriate tasks to children and working together as a team. Create your own cleaning ritual. Establish a cleaning ritual such as starting each day with a quick tidy up to make cleaning become a habit. Take breaks. Schedule short breaks during cleaning sessions to rest and recharge before tackling the next task. Visualize clutter-free spaces. Imagine how much more functional and inviting your space will be without all of the clutter. Practice mindfulness and thankfulness. Be present in the moment while cleaning, focusing on the joy of moving and the privilege of having a home to clean. Track your progress. Keep a cleaning journal or checklist to monitor your progress and to celebrate your accomplishments. Explore cleaning apps that provide tips, schedules, and motivation to help you stay on top of household chores. Set up a cleaning station. Organize your cleaning supplies in a convenient location to make it easier to access and use them. Make cleaning a habit. Incorporate cleaning into your daily or weekly routine to maintain a consistently tidy home. Visualize your future self. Picture yourself enjoying a clean and clutter-free space, motivating you to take action now. Create a cleaning calendar. Plan out your cleaning tasks for the month ahead to stay organized and motivated. You can use my printables to do that, and I'll link those below. Set realistic expectations. Accept that cleaning is an ongoing process and that perfection is not necessary. Seek inspiration online. Follow cleaning influencers or join online communities for motivation, tips, and support. Experiment with different techniques. Try out various cleaning methods and tools to find out what works best for you and makes cleaning more enjoyable. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break cleaning sessions into short, focused intervals, followed by a brief break to maintain productivity and motivation. Visualize the return on investment. Consider the time and effort invested in cleaning as an investment in your well-being and happiness. Create a cleaning vision board. Compile images, quotes, and goals related to cleaning to inspire and motivate you. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself if you don't meet all of your cleaning goals, and acknowledge your efforts and your progress. Set up a cleaning challenge. Challenge yourself to complete a certain number of cleaning tasks within a specific time frame for added motivation. Experiment with scents. Use different scents such as citrus or lavender to create a fresh and inviting atmosphere while cleaning. Visualize clutter-free surfaces. Envision your countertops and tables free of clutter, motivating you to tidy up regularly. Create a cleaning ritual. Establish a pre-cleaning ritual such as brewing a cup of tea or lighting a candle to signal the start of your cleaning session. Join a cleaning accountability group. Connect with friends or online communities who share your cleaning goals and provide support and accountability. Set up a personal reward system. Create a reward system where you earn points or treats for completing cleaning tasks, incentivizing your progress. Experiment with new tools. Try out different cleaning tools and gadgets to make cleaning more efficient and enjoyable. Visualize your ideal living space. Imagine your home exactly as you want it to be, motivating you to take action to make it a reality. Reflect on your progress. Take time to reflect on how far you've come in maintaining a clean and organized home, and appreciate your own efforts. Use positive reinforcement on yourself. Reward yourself with praise or small rewards after completing cleaning tasks to reinforce your positive behavior. Visualize the benefits of cleaning. Remind yourself of the benefits of a clean and organized home, such as reduced stress and improved mood. Practice gratitude and prayer. Express gratitude for your home and belongings as you clean, fostering a positive mindset. Use visualization. Visualize yourself completing cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency, boosting your confidence and motivation. Practice some self-care. Use cleaning as an opportunity to practice self-care, focusing on nurturing yourself and your environment. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With the right mindset and some of these strategies, you can find motivation and joy in maintaining a clean and organized home. So whether you're tackling clutter, scrubbing surfaces, or organizing spaces, remember these cleaning motivation tips to help you turn your chores into cheers. Here's to a happier, healthier, and tidier home. Thanks for watching.